What's up, guys? We are live. Back to trading this Tradeday's 50K evaluation. We're in drawdown, so nothing to celebrate. But we are here, and it's a nice day, and we're gonna trade. So, what else can you ask for? I hope everybody's doing okay. Got your popcorn, although it's in the morning. But hey, where you are, it might be the afternoon. Get your popcorn and your drink. Maybe you're trading with me at 9:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. 10:43 a.m. Central Time. Man, I was supposed to get on at 9:30, but time flew as I was doing other things. So let's get going. Let's get going. Not much ado. We've been going up. Holy smokes. This is the contested area we were ranging on. Broke structure. Pretty high up there. Big range. We got this high and this low put in. Let's do that. That's gonna be our origin area. Strange behavior here, in my opinion. Definitely left it unmitigated. Wow. And now we are here, so maybe a drop down and then a pull up. But we are trending up, so we're not gonna be taking short orders until we see the flip. Maybe the break of this low. This one also. Oh, no, not that one. This one. This one. We also have this range. Let's not forget that we're kind of bullish. Kind of. I honestly thought we were going to go lower on every asset. I thought we were going to be in a dip and not recuperate for a while, maybe a couple of months. That was kind of my bias, not coming from anywhere professional or any indication. And by the way, this is not financial advice. Disclaimer: the content presented in this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. The views and opinions expressed are solely those of the creator and should not be construed as financial advice. The creator does not sell any products or services nor is affiliated with any of the trading platforms or tools mentioned. Trading involves risk and is not suitable for all investors. It is important to conduct your own research or consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. The creator assumes no responsibility for any losses or damages arising from the use of this content. So we're going up and I thought we were going to go down. So now we're more biased to think, okay, less long, you know, we don't have to be shorting all the time trying to catch that big dip. We can range, right? We can play with the range. We can play with the upside. Let's see how long that low lasts. You see, I'm already thinking of shorting again. Oh man, gotta work on that. Got this area here. We got this, okay. That's a 3-minute chart. We got the high put in. Let's see how long it lasts. And more recently, we put in, well, yeah, no, this range here. Get the 50%. Okay. Well, we'll see what plays out. We got the 5-minute, 10-minute. Let's see the 5-minute chart here. This is a horrible colors. Let's do kind of blue, like a dark, no, more like a light blue, like that. Oh, that's a nice blue right there. Why isn't it? There. What? There we go. Well, whatever. I guess it's... Where is that blue? All right. Okay, here we go. This low put in this high, 50% of the area. Okay. Got the low, another low, and we got the high. Okay, then we got 50% of that. All right, let's see what happens. Got the 1 minute here. coming from this low, this high, 50%. We got this area here. Let's see if we break range. Right, and then the daily. Let's look at the daily here. Oh, wow. We're aiming for that high here. Gonna be pretty interesting to see what happens there. And we of course have the low of yesterday's low. Okay. And we got 50% of that. Right where we are, pretty much. I mean, where we opened, going up. So pretty clean action. Huge imbalance left here on the Friday. No, that's Sunday, right? Yeah, because this is. Oh no, it is Friday. It doesn't have the Saturday, Sunday candles. So this is Friday, Thursday, Friday, Monday. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. Squeaky chair. Shout out to the squeaky chair. I've got the demo in case we want to test the areas. We'll play some trades there. We're gonna have to actually practice some patience today, because we are kind of on the top of the range with a trend going up. So we cannot buy high. We can, but we don't. We're gonna try not to. And we don't want to sell short because we don't know where the trend is going to stop or get reversed. Even, even stop. We don't even know where it's going to stop, let alone see where it, when it starts to reverse, if it does reverse for the next day or two. That's all we care about, really. It looks like a flip, but we got this high over here. Very important for price to break if we are considering the continuation of the upward swing. So there might be a shortcoming from somewhere, but who knows? There. Wow. Yeah, I would have thought short there. That's what I would have thought. We had the high put in, managed to get somewhere close to it, but didn't break or run or nothing. Drops, creates a bit of a range, out of the range. But now we have this low to worry about, and this lows over here. Ultimately, our protected low being down here. Actually, no. Our protected low, well, there is a candle here which acts as a protected low because we went down and then ran the highs and then ran more highs and then tapped into it. Didn't, it did resist or support, basically. It did support the area, but did not create a new high. So now it becomes weaker. We'll see. We could also leave from the 50% upwards. So this could be a place to long from, but I'm gonna wait for better prices down here. If it gives it to me, and if it gives me indication that it wants to trade higher. It might leave from here and then break. We'll just have to, it'll go without us because we're gonna see if price does get down here first. And things are calm right now, but they may get a little hectic later. You know how price is. Sometimes when it's quiet and slow, after that comes a abrupt change. I don't see any important news that we should worry about. There's always news, but none that are, reports due or anything like that that Tradeday has in store for us. We don't have to deal with any of that today. So it could stay relatively slow, but you never know, especially when it's slow, it could get a big wave of excitement. Yeah, we have no signs of anything right now, just ranging. And sometimes it's nice to catch one of these ranging moves as it goes up and down and up and down and up and down, and then you get like, okay, buy. Right when it's down, you can get that upward move, but you don't know how deep that next move is going to be or how little the one you're coming from is. So you never know with those moves, but they do sometimes provide good opportunities to get in and out quickly. And I've taken those opportunities a lot of times and they pan out. But also, I'd say there's probably a 70% chance of me getting it right, which is good. But right now, I'd rather just wait and see and not take one of those moves. They, like I said, they're usually quick. So it's either a quick loss or a quick win. And sometimes it's best to just wait for the better setup and get a little bigger move, and you don't have to take 2 or 3 trades. With one trade covers what you had expected for the day as profits. Our goal is to get about 300 to 500 in profit for one day. If we get 200, that's still good. So it depends how we get there, when we get there, if we get there. Like right here, a little move up to scalp up. Let's see if it would have worked. If it would have worked out. So let's say we place an order here, right there, and we're trying to scalp up. Let's see. Yeah, it would have gone. Well, it's out of the range now. Making a bigger range maybe, so it might go up. So let's say your target's at the white line. You would have been in drawdown for a bit, but it wouldn't have taken you out. Okay, you're still not in the, out of the trade. Let's see if it hits the white. If it hits the white line, then it would have worked out. There it goes. See how it would have been a good trade? You got down, up, down, up, down, up. And now that it's up, you could take a scalp down, but we'll see what happens here. Okay. You see a scalp down would have worked out as well with your stop loss above the high of the previous candle. So 2 scalps that would have probably worked out, but you know, like I said, I'm looking for the better setup today. One goes the wrong way, then the next one covers it with minus the fees, minus the taking the profit early because now you're scared. Now you're in a drawdown. And now you gotta get back up, and you already took 2 trades. This way we have taken no trades, but we haven't had any turmoil yet. Okay, let's see what happens on this next one. We are making lower lows and lower highs. Just keep that in mind. This one is not a lower high. Sorry, it's not a lower low, but it's not a lower high either. And then this next candle did both. Well, no, actually, it was a higher high. So it kind of reversed a little bit here. We would say that we reversed for a tiny bit. However, because we broke both the highs and the lows, the range just got a little bigger, but the continuation might still play out on the downside. And now we're entering a better price area to long. However, we have not broken the highs. So it might break the lows. We got the supported low or whatever, or the one that created the highs is all the way down here. So maybe a little too early for us to get in. We have to wait. Man, nobody comes to my lives, you know, and you go on other lives and there's like 10 people. All right, whatever. 120 people, whatever. Yeah, this is tough. This is tough right here. Sometimes like you don't know if price is really moving that way or your internet connection is just bad. Because price kind of stops, you know, for a while and it just glitches a bit. It's a weird day. We are in the inducement zone as well. So I mean, we may have to sit this one out. Both my lines were some kind of good ladder to watch out for. It's probably gonna go up back to that area again. It's weird. There's so many dojis on the lower time frames. Like so many. Look at the 20-second. You see, look. Look at that. Doji, 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 doji. Dang. Weird. You see, maybe back to the, I don't know if running the highs though. We'll see. This is a good place to take a long from if we're going higher, if that's our bias. That's ridiculous. Let me guess, doji. Dang, called it. Funny thing is we don't have dojis in the longer time frames. I mean, 2 minutes, 3 minutes is not that long. Let's see the 1 minute. Yeah, some of them. Oh yeah, also. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow. That's a 1 minute chart. Yeah, maybe stay out. Ooh. Good job. Good job, price. Let's get some momentum. We're gonna drop. If we're gonna drop, we're gonna drop harsh into these areas here. So I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait this whole thing. I'm gonna take a little break, guys. I'll be right back. Listen to some music. All right, we're back. Back for more. So now it's approaching this area that we think is interesting. We're gonna wait, maybe we get this area. But it could be a range all the way up to here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Bullish or bearish? More bearish. Man, price is very, very weird today, honestly. So we'll see. I mean, if we get lower price, maybe come up. Here come the bulls. Maybe I draw from here further down, or we'll see. I did mention this low because of this drop and pull up and break further. I thought this would be a good point to test it out. Wow, I don't know what to do, but I know I gotta do something. Yeah. Look at that, all that. I guess what? Wait, what can you call that? It's manipulation of the market. Yeah, follow the trend. Got a low price. We just didn't know how low it was gonna be. That would have been a good area to test. Maybe here. Missed it. I wanted to put a buy here, but I didn't want to do a limit because it could drop lower. Wow, it's tough. Going for 4 points. I'm gonna have to break even if it doesn't push up. There it is. Well, this trade has potential, I would say. We're not asking for higher highs, we're just asking for almost. Oh boy. well, yeah, we got taken out. Might go down, you know, like we're approaching areas that could bring price down. And might as well make it profitable. 62. Not a bad trade. Well, would have maybe played out. We'll see. We are at the top of the range, however, so. This would have been the scalp, but we didn't have enough confirmation. Here we had enough confirmation. Slowly making our way up. Yeah, price isn't really moving today. It might just range. Some boring songs on YouTube, man. What the heck? Well, I seem to be seem to have gotten out in the right place here. Very slow. Doji. Wow. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to take my profits and go home because this is not right for me. We are at the top of a range. We're going up. We're in an inducement, so there's really nothing for me to get my hopes up about. So I'm gonna call it a day. Take my 50 bucks in profit and come back tomorrow. Thanks for joining, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was kind of a slow day, but we'll come back for more as always. Take care. See you on the next one. Peace.